Hello everyone, we are back with another quick tech tip video, hoping to bring you little joys in your technology world. My name is Andrew Nelson, and today we are going to look at getting more productive with Google Chrome. Very often I have noticed that changing a few settings saves a lot of time when working with a particular app. So today we are going to look at a very basic but useful setting that would help us to get more productive with Google Chrome. We all work with multiple tabs these days, and if you notice, two of my tabs are pinned and there are a few unpinned tabs. By the way, to learn how to pin tabs, check out my video in the description below. Now you must have surely come across the situation where you finished your work in Google Chrome for the day and you want to close Google Chrome, but you want all these tabs that you're working in the next time you open Google Chrome. Or worse still, you might be working in Google Chrome with all of these tabs and all of a sudden your Google Chrome crashes and all your tabs are gone. And when I try and reopen Google Chrome, I just get my pinned tabs and all my unpinned tabs are gone. Now to avoid something like this happening, here's what you need to do. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner, scroll down to Settings and click on Settings. Now this will open up your settings page. Now on your settings page, if you look at the left hand panel, you scroll down and click on Startup. Now here we have three options. You see by default, Open the New Tab page is selected. We also have Open a specific page or a set of pages. So in case you want to open a particular web page or a particular set of pages, all you need to do is add a new page and select this option. But the one that we're looking for is Continue where you left off. So every time you're working with multiple tabs and you happen to close Google Chrome or your Google Chrome crashes and you reopen Google Chrome, all of your tabs will be back. Now let's see how this works. So I'm going to close Google Chrome and I'm going to reopen, and here are all my tabs back. So I can continue where I left off.